Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to Android Auto. Now open up the Settings app on your Android phone, and let's go into the Android Auto settings by going to Connected Devices. And then from here, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on Android Auto. Now we can customize which apps show up and the order that they show up just by scrolling down until we get to, the Customize Launcher. You'll be able to see I can show all of these apps, or if any of them are not shown, I can toggle them on just by tapping on it. And I can reorder these just by moving my finger up. You can see I can put messages first. You can also hit add a shortcut to the launcher if you wanted to call a contact or add an assistant action. You'll be able to do that directly in here. And of course, you can always add something by putting it up or unchecking it if you wanted it to be in the hidden app section. Unfortunately, there's no way on here to get YouTube, but you can get YouTube Music. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.